Now, the NIA court is set to pronounce its judgment on the bail plea of two nuns today. During the hearing, the prosecution representing the Chhattisgarh government opposed the bail request earlier, and now the court has directed the special prosecutor in the case to present the case diary for detailed examination. Remember, the Chhattisgarh government opposed the bail on technical grounds here. Meanwhile, the Christian community from the state of Kerala has been hopeful that the nuns would be granted bail today. Now, viewers, the arrest of two Kerala nuns in Chhattisgarh has escalated into a major political and religious flashpoint here. Meghalaya Chief Minister has written to Chhattisgarh CM, terming the arrest as harassment and even urging immediate intervention in the case. Now, the two nuns here, Vandana Francis and Preeti Mary, they were arrested at Durg railway station under the charges of human trafficking and anti-conversion laws. And this whole incident triggered outrage across Kerala and parts of the northeast as well. Now, as the bail plea is being heard at the NIA court in Bilaspur, political momentum is building on the ground. In fact, a delegation of Kerala MPs, they reached Durg yesterday. And while protests are being staged in Raipur as well with the support of Chhattisgarh Pradesh Congress Committee. Now, the Catholic Bishops' Conference of India has also appealed to Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah in the case, while voices from across party lines, including Congress and Shashi Tharoor, they've all condemned the arrest, calling it a violation of minority rights. Now, the court's verdict on the bail plea is expected today.
The news in Chhattisgarh is very clear. Both the Prime Minister and the Home Minister of India have clearly said that the justice will be given to the two nuns who have been arrested there under the local laws. That there have been some mistakes made by the nuns in terms of uploading on the portal. Regardless of that, the church reached out to me 6 days ago, and we have been working relentlessly and tirelessly to ensure that the nuns get justice and that the judicial process moves forward to give them bail.
कि जो ये कन्या औरत जो होते हैं ना नन्स, उनके खिलाफ जो किया गया है ये बिल्कुल अन्याय है. वो कोई भी लॉ, कोई भी नियम को के विरुद्ध कुछ नहीं किए हैं. वो जो कर रही थी वो कुछ आदिवासी लड़कियों को काम के लिए शहर ले जा रहे थे, और इसको देख के मेरे ख्याल में बजरंग दल या ऐसे कोई ग्रुप आके बहुत शोर मचाया, और इस शोर देख के पुलिस ने इस कन्या स्त्रियों को अरेस्ट किया. ये बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए था.
We are visiting Durg also to pay a visit to the nuns who are in the jails, and our mission is to facilitate the bail process that is on now. And yesterday we had called on the Home Minister. हम Home Minister से मिला था, हमको assurance मिला, he will do everything possible to make sure that the nuns are free. So we have come all the way from Delhi, and we feel that the situation would be conducive enough to make sure that the nuns are free.